Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm glad you're watching me today. So I'm going to show you how to register, how to become a travel agent when you decide to join my team. I'm going to send you the link, and that's how we're going to do that. So first, what I did, I went to Planet Marketing, and I already have my account with them because, as you know, or maybe not, but I'm going to tell you this, that InteleTravel is partner with Planet Marketing. That's what we do, two businesses together. Planet Marketing is teaching us about marketing strategies, promotions, and etc., and how to become a director. InteleTravel gives us a website and all the tools and access to our suppliers and partners to do business, do bookings, etc. Here you find the information about InteleTravel, how it works, agent benefits, our agents, register, guarantee, the phone number for customer service if you need to call them, and there is an application page. Let me scroll it, and I'm going to show you that's very simple and how much it actually going to cost you to become a travel agent. So the first step is to provide your information. I already a travel agent, so you're going to put your information here, whatever your name is. You have to create your business email, then your cell phone, your social security number. Yes, you do have need social security number because it's an official job in United States, which you're gonna be doing because you're gonna pay taxes as well. Here is the payment information. So for you guys to become a travel agent is gonna cost $179.95, just one time payment. And then we do have a 30 days money back guarantee if in some reason you decide that this business is not for you. And then the monthly payment will be $39.95 just for InteleTravel, being a travel agent. If you would like to connect the Planet Marketing part, then it's going to be like plus $20, like $19.99. So total is going to be like around $60 per month if you would like to do both businesses, which I highly recommend you to do so. And then we scroll down here, you put your credit card information and you save it if you would like that they do automatic payments every month, which is easier because otherwise they can cancel your subscription. So then you answer some simple questions, important background information. Let's see what they have. In order to protect all of our agents and the brand reputation we all rely on, please answer the following questions fully and truthfully. And you're gonna answer yes or no. And this is just very simple questions. So have you, under your current name or any other name, ever been convicted of a felony? Stuff like that. Then another question is, are you presently on bail or your own recognized with pending criminal charges? So basically, it's just like kind of like about criminal record of you because they might run your background check. I'm not sure about that, but they might. And then, have you or any businesses in which you had controlling interest ever failed a voluntary petition or bankruptcy? Have you ever thought or consented to an requested in the appointment of any trustee, receiver or liquidator of any or essential part of your asset of business? So there are some questions like that. Have you ever had any type of fidelity or solidarity bond canceled? So if you have questions about those questions, let me know and I will help you to get through that. Then you have to put your initials here. Yeah, they're gonna run the background check, guys. That's why there is another reason why they have to have your social security number, because it's important that you don't have any criminal record to be to be a travel agent, and there is reason for that, because when you're working with clients, we do have forms that you provide to the clients and they send you their private information, like copy of their passports maybe, names, date of birth, and of course payment information. And in such case, it's very critical that you don't have any criminal record. So because InteleTravel, don't want to have any problems with that, and it's your responsibility to answer those questions. So here you also click your initials and that you gave them the permission to charge you monthly 39.95, and then you press enroll now. That's how we do that. That's how we enroll our agents into my team. So as you can see, it's very, very simple. Let's see agent benefits if you have question about that. Just a moment, guys. Sorry, my internet is so slow. Let me see if I can do that. And data connection. Okay, well, maybe not today. Let me go back. Next time I'm going to show you the benefits of travel agents. Sorry about that, guys. Let's go back. So you understand the process, right? It's very easy. So there is a PlanNet marketing website. Okay, there is my dashboard right here, and I check my progress, my account profile, what's going on in the in that business, in that area, what events we have, and my director is this person, Yana Ponce. The person who subscribed me was Oksana Danilova, and then my website, my information, and all the information that you need. And as I said, I'm going to this event, Freedom, in August in Orlando. You can also print and order the business cards right here. It's very good looking business cards, by the way. They do have a lot of webinars going every Monday, guys, to learn about some business strategies, and every Tuesday as well. So this is a quick video, a quick part of two websites, how to register your new travel agent if you are a sponsor. And that's all for today, guys. I'm hoping you're having a great day, and let me know if you need anything.